Welcome to Flange Wizard, welder's choice for quality since 1981. All Flange Wizard tools are made in the USA. Today we want to talk to our distributor partners about this great little counter display for the magnetic tape measure holder, part number 89754. This is a great impulse item that you can put right near the cash register or an area where you're transacting with your customer. The magnetic tape measure holder is a very strong tool. It's got magnets on the bottom, so when you lay it down horizontal, it'll stick solidly to your steel or to your piece of pipe. It has a vial in it, so if you want to do a quick check of your level, you can do that. That vial is completely replaceable like every other great Flange Wizard tool. On the side, you have another very strong magnet. What that allows you to do is put your tape measure tip on there, and if you're by yourself, you can run that tape measure across your shop. Here I put the magnetic tape measure holder onto a piece of plate. This thing, not only is it, good 12 by 12 all the way around, but it weighs over 5 pounds, close to 6 pounds. So just to kind of give you an idea how strong that is, I mean, that's what people really like about Flange Wizard tools. You've got another magnet that allows you to take the tip of your tape measure and stick it on there. And then what you can do is just run this thing all the way across your shop. It's very strong. You can run the tape in this direction here, or you can certainly flip it around to this side here if you need to. Still using the magnet, but also the edge of the tool to run that tape measure. When it comes to Flange Wizard, you can count on one thing. They use very stout magnets. Whether it's a switchable magnet or a permanent magnet, like in all their levels, or their centering heads, they are very serious about the magnets that they put into these professional tools. Another thing that we can do at Flange Wizard is we can do a co-branded product with you. So this very popular product, where you can see we have it laser engraved with our name, it looks really sharp. So what we can do on the side here is we can laser engrave your brand, your logo, your contact information. So now you got a co-branded product that you can use promotionally, whether you're selling it in the store or your sales team is using it to interact with your customers in the field. If you're interested in this program, please reach out to us for more information. If you're interested in the display, it's available at no charge when you buy 12 of the tools. Another thing that I would recommend to really enhance the sales experience is get one of the tools and put it on a piece of plate, attach a tape measure holder. The customer's going to be super impressed with how strong that tool is for adhering to the metal as well as the tape measure. Please contact your favorite welding wholesaler for more information, or if you have any questions, you can always reach us.